Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope you're having a great day out there today. I'm back, guys, real quick on a quick update. Want to do a quick update for you. I came to you last week about Easy Profit 100's new Phase 2 option to add residual income to this existing direct mail postcard program. Okay, so I'm back just to show you. It officially launched today. An email came out from the owner, okay, to everyone else. Okay, I was informed last week, but it's now official to everybody, and it's launched officially today. Okay, so just want to show you what it looks like on the website with a little bit more detail. Okay, so anyway, you're probably here because you're one of my current subscribers and you're checking out my channel. You're already on my list, or you've landed here because you're out here searching online for a way to make money online, and you ended up on my page. I am a full-time internet marketer, and I show you different opportunities in which you can make money online. Okay, so Easy Profit 100 has been around about 7 years now. I've been a part of it for 3 years. It is a direct mail program, guys, where you can mail postcards or flyers out to a list of people that's interested in making money from home. When they join you, the company's going to pay you $100 per referral, okay, and they pay every week. And this is a reverse 2-up, okay. So the first sale you're going to keep, the second sale is going to pass up, the third sale you're going to keep, and the fourth sale passes up. It's a real simple comp plan. This is not a MLM program where you have legs and things like that, okay. Just a straight direct sales program. Make sales and make commissions pretty much instantly, okay, and they pay out every week. Okay, so anyway, they've added this phase 2. Okay, you're gonna have to be in phase 1 to be in phase 2. And phase 1 is when you join. You pay the $149 to be a part of Easy Profit 100. One time, no monthly fees with that. Okay, and then of course you would order your postcards separately. And then we have some of us, we've marketed online as well. Okay, but to get in phase 2, to get the residual, you have to at least join in phase 1. So you're going to have to pay $149, okay? Once you pay that, guys, here's the Easy Profit 100 phase 2 option, okay? This is optional, okay? So as it states here on the screen, this is long-term wealth, okay? So not only are you going to make the $100 off of someone that joins, if they decide to go ahead and participate in phase 2, the residual income, okay, you're going to make $25. So you have the potential to make $125 instead of just $100 per referral. Okay, that's pretty powerful. And to be able to get the $25 over and over and over is awesome. So as long as they pay their membership, so to be a part of phase 2, it's $50. You're going to pay $50 a month. And everybody that joins you in your downline, you're going to make $25, okay, from that. Okay. Now, if you do not participate in it, just know those $25 sales will pass up, okay? And you never know, guys. That's the thing. You're mailing postcards, so most of the time you're not even speaking to the people, okay? So you're not going to know it, you know, they're not going to, in other words, they may not call you up or contact you or anything to say they're going to join. They just may join. So it's going to be great to position yourself to go ahead and receive those commissions when they come through. All right. Okay. So phase 2, here we go. I'm just going to show you kind of what's on the page. You can check it out. I'm going to put the link below so you can go check it out. So the $25 commissions build your monthly residual income. Okay. Phase 1. You're going to make these $100 commissions, okay, off of everybody that joins you in that reverse 2-up comp plan. That has not changed. This is not mandatory. Okay, I'm just showing you the additional option that you can participate in with Easy Profit 100. Okay, so if you're already in Easy Profit 100, just going to log in your back office and go ahead, and I'm going to show you where that is. Go ahead and join phase 2. So right here, phase 2, $25 monthly commissions. Okay, those can add up very quickly, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to thumb through it just a little bit so you can see it on the page here. Upgrade to phase 2. It kind of just goes over it. And what you're actually getting is education. Okay, So it's going to be digital education. So if you're really serious about your Easy Profit 100 business and doing this business, it just makes sense to add the residual income stream to what you're already doing. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to scroll through just a little bit. And here is, here's the information as it states here. Okay. You have a library of educational training. That's basically what you're going to have. Okay. So you're going to be able to earn and learn at the same time. And this is going to be digital products, guys. So you can go back there and download these products, and you'll have access to them pretty much instantly once you go ahead and upgrade. Okay. So it kind of goes over that little Q&A there. But I'm going to put I'm going to put my link below if you're not in Easy Profit at all, and you were looking for a residual income stream and something that's simple. You don't have to learn internet marketing. No learning curve for that. You just want to mail postcards, do something simple, or flyers. This is a perfect opportunity for you. So what you would do is pay your $149 and then pay your $50. Okay, so you're going to be $149 plus $50 to get this whole thing kicked off. But if you're already in Easy Profit 100, just log in your back office and go ahead and do that. So let me show you from the back office how you upgrade. Hang on. Here's my picture. And it shows you right here, Easy Profit 100 Phase 2, $50. So it shows I'm already in it. So what you're going to do is you log in and you come down, look to the left, okay, right here, and you click on Phase 2 Training. Once you click that, you go ahead and register, and that's where you're going to pay, okay? And once you do that, you're going to go to Downloads, and this is where you're going to see the training, okay? So if you click Downloads, I'm going to do that. Hopefully it doesn't take much time. Okay, so once we click Downloads, guys, as you can see, here's some of the files, and you can click this arrow right here. Okay, and it's also going to show you, here we go. There's more files right there, and more will be added, you know, as we move forward with Phase 2. Okay, so go ahead and get started with Phase 2, guys. Click there, get in the program. I'm gonna put the link below so that you can join me in Easy Profit 100, $149 one time. Pay the additional $50, and that positions you to make $25 per month per person that you refer over to the Phase 2 residual income stream. Okay, now I'm going to also show you guys this thing is working, and people don't always reach out to you. Okay, I had one person reach out to me, the other two just joined. They didn't call me and say, hey, are you in this? What do you think about it? They just joined, and I end up getting an email from the company saying you have a residual income. That's what I'm saying. People aren't going to just call you and ask you questions. They're just going to see it, and they're going to jump in. And if you're not in it, you're going to lose the commission. Okay, so let me show you that commission. Okay, and then on Friday, was it Friday the 19th? There was 2 that came in. Okay, here's someone right here. And then if you go down, yep, Friday, let's see, that was Friday at 4:49 a.m. Okay, I was asleep at 4:49 a.m. in the morning. Okay, that $25 commission, so you know I didn't have a conversation with that person. Okay, and then the other person came in at 12:03 in the afternoon. So again, that's $75 that have come in. That's residual. Okay, so again, you don't know when these people are going to come in. All right, so you just need to position yourself to be ready to get those commissions. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and put my link below, easypostcardincome.com, www.easypostcard.com. Go ahead and check out that link, enter your information, go through my funnel, check out the Phase 2, get started with Easy Profit 100, $149 one time, and it's optional to upgrade if you want to earn residual with this program, $50. Okay, you're going to pay that every month, and you're going to earn $25 residual income off of everyone in your downline that also joins the phase 2 easy profit option. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and like my video. I would greatly appreciate it. And click that notification bell. There's a little bell there. Click that bell, and every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, so you can check it out. All right. Now, look forward to partnering with you guys. Go ahead in the funnel, and if you have any questions after checking everything out, feel free to give me a call. Okay, look forward to working with you. You guys have a blessed day.